Alright everybody, welcome back to another tutorial here with Mr. K. Today's tutorial we are doing something called a Hockney Effect. Alright, so very easy, cool little effect you can do pretty quickly on an image and make it look very different. Alright, so here I have an image opened up in Photopia.com. Okay, and first thing I'm going to do is grab my rectangular select tool. Most of this project is just doing that. Okay, rectangular select tool. Alright, so I'm going to just make a rectangle here, click and drag using the rectangle tool on a section that I think is relatively, key feature of the picture. Alright, I'm going to come up to edit, copy, going to go to layer, new layer, edit, paste. Okay. Then I'm going to, here on my layer panel, I'm going to come down to EFF and then go click on stroke. Alright, I'm going to move this out of the way. First of all, I want my color to be white. And I want it to be a little bit thicker. It should look like it's, like a Polaroid or a postcard kind of look about it. Alright, then I'm going to click OK. And now I'm going to do this all over again. So I'm going to click back on my background layer. I'm on my rectangular select tool. I'm going to overlap that last picture a little bit and try to get roughly the same size and shape. Edit, copy. New layer. I can also do new layer down here. And edit, paste. EFF. Stroke. And luckily what Photopia is going to do is it's going to save all of the settings for this. So I can just click OK. Click back on the background layer. Select a new area. Edit, copy, Control C. New layer, Control V to paste. F. Stroke, OK. And that's the majority of the project. Now you're gonna have to get every single spot in this picture needs to be some kind of postcard looking area. So it's gonna feel like it's a long process because it's just the same thing over and over again. You want to talk about easy, this whole thing is just same steps over and over. I'm going to show you something. What should I do if I get this error message? Oh. What should I do if I get this error message? Copied area is empty. Again, I've said this on many other assignments, projects, ideas that are, on here. Means you're on the wrong layer. Very simple. Make sure you're on the background layer now when I copy. Don't get that message. Create a new layer, paste, boom. These shapes do not need to be exactly the same size. They should be roughly the same shape. It should be the same rectangle, whichever way you do it. But they do not need to be exactly the same size. And again, you should have every spot covered with this effect. Right? Some people's impulse is to make one from the corner right away. I would say make a corner feel like it's being cut off by the edge. It shouldn't be so nice and neat that the one in the corner there. Show you right here what I mean. When I go to add stroke here, you see it's not completely, I'm not doing this. Here, let me show you what I don't think you should do. I don't think you should grab from the corner like this. Do it like that. At least, maybe not all the corners. If you do it for one, okay. All of them, no. Because it should look like a bunch of pictures are just on here, like thrown on here. Alright, and that's pretty simple.